Want to create a Gmail account in just a few minutes? In this video, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step method to create your Gmail account. No confusion, no hassle. First, open your Gmail app. Now, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Add another account. Now tap on Google. Now click on Create account. Tap on For my personal use. Now enter your name and tap on Next. Enter your date of birth. Now choose an email address from the suggested list or tap on Create your own Gmail address. Now enter a unique name. Enter a new password. Now tap on Verify. The verification will complete automatically, so make sure you don't close the app during this process. Now scroll down and tap I agree to accept the terms and conditions of Google. That's it. Your Gmail account is now successfully created. You can now send emails, use YouTube, Google Drive, and many other Google services. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.